Hi guys, I'm back again. I'm Jenny F. Pastrana, and I will be in this video. I'll be performing to you guys on how to block in the firewall in any Windows application. So let's start. First, go to the search bar and find Windows or like this Windows Defender Firewall. Just click that. After that, go to the advanced settings. Oh yeah, then this is the advanced settings. And the inbound is next service. The all that the block. So for the Brave Apache server. So to start this, we'll make a new rule. So window application is a type of a program. So not a port, predefined or custom. So just click the program. And next is not all the program, just specific. So I'll just browse, then I will find the onion brand. So this with the com scanner will block this. Then next, then block the connection. And no other than just click next, then name. So black, ito what to call the black das black com scanner. Then the com scanner is block. Yep. Where this put in because we're in the inbound rows. Just click finish, and that's done. So here you see the rule block scam scanner and so in the next is for the so more like it disappear. You want new a rule in the inbound rows and also in the outbound rows. So for the outbound rows, just click also the new rule, same program, and also find the com scanner and click next, and block the connection, and click next also, then black com scanner com scanner out. Then I just click on the com scanner, the com scanner is block out. So block out. So just click the finish, and that's how you perform a block in the firewall to in any block the connection any Windows application. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.